Okay, hello everyone. Our for loop is already finished, so today we'll start the second one loop, that is while loop. So what is the condition of now we write the syntax for the while loop. Here we also use the condition. While, then within bracket here we write condition, then there is a curly bracket, then here is the body of the loop. Now we write a small program using the while loop that display something 10 times. Now we are display hello 10 times. Okay, so how we write the program? This is word, okay, not y. Word man, then int I equals to 1, then we use here the condition while I less than equals to 10, then we write here printf hello, then here I write I plus plus and I finish my while. Okay, this one is finished here. Next here I write get ch, and after here I finish the word man. And if you write the CLRS here, so here you write for clear the screen. So now what is the output of this program? Now we check in our now look here, this is my program, the same program I write here. Okay, so now I save this using F2. Next I compile the program. Look, compile, then the errors are 0. Okay, look, the errors are 0 now. Next is I run the program, then look what is the output. The hello is displayed 10 times here. Okay, so now what is the output here? Hello, that is displayed here 10 times. Okay, so this is the while loop. Here we use the condition. This is the initialization that we use in the for loop. This is the condition that we use in the for loop. This is the increment or decrement part that we use in the for loop. Okay, so now we write another program using our while loop. Okay, so write the question, write a program to find factorial of a given number using while loop. Okay, so now we write our program. Then we use the variables int 10, another variable that is fact for the factorial. So first to initialize the variable value is equals to 1, then the clear screen. Okay, here we write the word man. Okay, here we write the word man function. Next we start our program here. Okay, CLR next is printf enter any number, then we write here scanf and ampersand n. Okay, next we use the condition, the while loop, n greater than equals to 1. Okay, then here we write fact equals to fact multiplication n, and the n value is minus minus. Okay, next our while loop is finished here. Okay, next here I write printf factorial equals to %d. What is the value used for the factorial? Look, what is the value variable we use here? Fact. Okay, so here I write fact. Next is get ch. Next is I finish my void main function here. Okay, so now we check what is the output. So now check here the program. Okay, we already save here. Now we compile here. We are checking is there any. Look here, the errors are 0. Okay, next I execute the program. Next loop, enter any number. Okay, here I use the number 3. Next the factorial is 6. Okay, so now we calculate how this one is 6. Okay, so first here we enter any number. Here we enter the number 3. Okay, next here we check 3 greater than equals to 1. Yes, the condition is satisfied. So next fact equals to what is the value of fact here? 1 multiplication n. What is the value of n? 3. Okay, so now the factorial value is 3. Next the value of n is decreases means now 3 is 2. So now we are going to check 2 greater than equals to 1. This one is true. Next fact equals to, what is the value of fact now? 3 multiplication, what is the value of n now? 2 equals to 6. Okay, this one is 2, n value, now the 2 value is decreases, so now n equals to 1. Here n equals to 2, here n equals to 3. Okay, so now we are checking n equals to 1. 1 means 1 greater than equals to 1. Yes, the condition is satisfied because 1 is equals to 1. So next is fact equals to, what is the value of fact? 6 multiplication, what is the value of n? 1 equals to 6. So now our output is 6. Okay. Okay, so our while loop is finished, and the third one is what? Do while loop. So what is the syntax? Do, then there are statements and body of the loop or body of the loop. Next, here we use the condition using while, and here is a semicolon, but in the while loop there is no semicolon. So now we write a program to display hello 5 times using do and while. Now we write the program. I equals to 1. Here we initialize. Next we write 2. Then printf. We have to display here hello, and here we use /n. Then our one hello is displayed. Then in the next line another hello display. Next in the next line another hello display. Next is I value is increases. Next we are using here the condition I less than equals to 5. means our hello is displayed here 5 times. Next here I use the getCH function, and here I use the void main. Okay, and here we use the which function? CLR function. So now what is the output of this program? Our hello is displayed 5 times. This is the output of this program. Okay, so now I check this one. Look here, this is the program. Okay, now I already compiled this one. Okay, so now we check the output using the run. So look what is the output. Hello display 5 times. Okay. Okay, so look here, using the same do while loop, now I write another program. Write a program to find cube of 1 to 5. Okay, cube of 1 to 5 means if we are finding the cube of 1, then 1 to the power cube. Okay, so we are checking from 1 to the power cube, 2 to the power cube, 3 to the power cube, 4 to the power cube, 5 to the power cube. Okay, all this we have to find out now. So here I use a variable I equals to 1. This is my initialization, and here I use another variable that store the value of cube. Next I use here the do. Next, what is the value of cube I store? Cube equals to power I. Okay, I value is changes when 1, then the I value is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, so always the value of I changes. So for the 1 we are calculating 1 to the power cube. For the 2 we are calculating 2 to the power cube. When I is 3 to the power cube, then 4 cube, then 5 cube. Okay, so we have to calculating the values of all these numbers. Next, after calculating, we write printf cube of %d each. So what is the output of this one? Cube of %d. Okay, if the I value is 1, then cube of 1 each 1. If I value is 2, then what is the output? Cube of 2 is 8, because 2 to the power cube equals to 8. Okay, and after print this line, next the I value is increases. Next the I value is increases here. So now we are checking this one. Next again the I value is increases. Then cube of 3 each. Then we are calculating the all the values for the 4 and the 5. Okay, and for the 5 our condition is satisfied. 5 is less than equals to 5. If we are calculating for the 6 is less than equals to 5. This condition is false. So we are calculating only for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, not for the 6. This one is wrong. Our condition is not satisfied here. Okay, so now we check the output. Now look here the program. Okay, and look, one header file, one extra header file here I use math.h for this power. Okay, here we use one new function power i3. So for this here we are going to add another header file, include math.h. This header file is used for this function, power function. Another header file we use in this program here. Okay, so now I already shared this program and also compiled. So now we are going to check the output. So now check what is the output of this program. Cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125. Okay. So today our loop control statements, all the loop control statements are finished. In our next video we are going to another part of the C programming. Okay, thank you.